Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. If you have been looking at the prices in the world of crypto, you might have been very shocked, especially for those folks who don't really keep up to date with the latest coming from the international world. And if you're looking at the price of XRP, I'm pretty sure you are going to be very disappointed. But you might think, hey, this is specifically related to XRP. Well, let me just debunk that right now. This is not just related to XRP, but pretty much the entire world of crypto. And in today's video, we will be talking about why the price of XRP has crashed and what might happen in the near future. Are we going to see a rebound? And if we are going to see a rebound, when that might happen. So a lot of really interesting things to talk about today, but obviously the very important one, and that is a massive update related to this Ripple lawsuit, the lawsuit that is going to impact the future of not just XRP but of the entire world of crypto. And the judge has given a ruling especially regarding a very critically important factor, in which we'll be discussing in today's video. But before going on to those details, let's take a look at our sponsor of today's video. Kanga Exchange is one of the largest Central European crypto asset exchanges with more than 250 physical location points. Now you might be surprised saying that physical location and a crypto exchange, we generally don't get that, but with Kanga Exchange you do, as they do have physical locations. Kanga Exchange is now launching their own crypto called Kanga. Now for those folks out there who might be interested, Kanga is going to be a utility based token based on the proof of stake system. So you can actually stake Kanga once it is launched. The total supply of Kanga crypto token is only 21 million. It does have a very low supply. This might be something of enticing to a lot of investors out there. Also regarding Kanga Exchange, pretty much all services provided on the Kanga Exchange, the transaction fees are done on the native token, that is the KNG, Kanga crypto token. This is something very similar to how BNB works for Binance. That is where a lot of people are saying that Kanga Exchange might be the next Binance killer. There might be a separate video on that, but for now this does seem pretty interesting. Now for those folks who want to get to buy this Kanga token, it is going to be launched on the 27th September. I will be linking the details regarding this in the description box below, and I will also be providing my registration link for those folks who want to register to be able to buy this KNG crypto token. Having said all of this, I do want to remind you guys that the world of crypto can be very risky, especially altcoins out there, and only invest what you can afford to lose, and make sure to do your own due diligence. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and that is regarding the Judge Ned Burns' ruling in this ongoing Ripple lawsuit. Now specifically this ruling is related to those trading policies, those trading documents related to SEC employees, whether they held any XRP, Bitcoin, Ether, or specifically related to if they were trading XRP, buying or selling XRP. Now, unfortunately, the judge has denied that motion. As he puts it here, defendants' request for documents reflecting the SEC's trading pre-clearance decisions with respect to SEC's employees' transactions in Bitcoin, Ether, or XRP, and annual certifications concerning SEC's employees' XRP holding is denied. Now, this is, I'm pretty sure, is going to be coming as a disappointment to a lot of XRP investors out there. But that is not the end of it, as we further have the SEC is directed to provide defendants any documentation supporting SEC's counsel statement during August 25th, 2021 meet and confer that after the formal order of investigation was issued as to Ripple on March 9, 2019, SEC employees could no longer trade XRP. So although the big and very important ones, it has been denied, but Ripple can still get the documents related to SEC's counsel statements regarding SEC employees can no longer trade XRP. Now for those folks who are not really caught up to what is being said here, this is specifically related to those important documents, something that a lot of people in the Ripple and XRP community were talking about, saying that, hey, if Ripple is able to get its hands on these documents showing that SEC employees did trade XRP, well, that would have been an absolutely massive win for Ripple. But unfortunately this motion is denied, so Ripple is not going to get access to those things. For those folks who don't know why this would matter, well, let me put it very simply, that if Ripple could prove that SEC employees themselves, they were trading XRP from 2013 all the way to the filing of the lawsuit, that would mean that even the SEC employees did not know that XRP could become a security, and that would play a huge role in a Ripple's fair notice defense. And for those folks out there, you guys know that the fair notice defense is that smoking gun which a Ripple currently has, and it is going to be that major factor which could make a Ripple win this lawsuit. Now unfortunately this has been denied, but from the past what we have seen is that both sides are almost at an equal, but at the start it was the SEC which had the strong hand, and as we move forward in this lawsuit, it is a Ripple which is getting the upper hand. So as we move forward, things are going to be very interesting. We are going to see obviously the judgment regarding the fair notice defense, and that is something major to look out for. Now let's talk about the prices in the world of crypto, and specifically why did the price of XRP crash. And I'm pretty sure you have been looking at the prices, and out of nowhere you might have seen the price of XRP drop quite considerably. In fact, it has dropped below that psychological barrier of $1, and at the moment it is trading about 15% lower compared to 1 week ago. So what exactly happened here? Now for you guys to understand what happened here, why the crypto world kind of crashed, you have to kind of understand how does the international market basically work. Now you might have also heard the word Evergrande thrown out quite a lot in different articles. Basically, Evergrande is an absolutely massive real estate developer in China, which is on the verge of defaulting, and this is due to various other factors which I'll not go into this videos. What basically Evergrande has to do is they are going to pay about they have to pay about $80 million this week, and it seems and they have already said it, they're not able to do this, and that is why they are going to default. And right now they have something like $30 billion dollars under management and $300 billion in liabilities. It's an absolutely massive company. So how is this related to crypto? Well, initially what Evergrande did was that it was going to raise a lot of capital, and it was doing this by issuing various kinds of bonds. Now generally it was only happening in China, but what they did was a lot of major financial institutions around the world, they started buying these bonds. You name it, Goldman Sachs, Vanguard, BlackRock, massive financial institutions, they started buying this. And as you know, right now the company is going down. These bonds, their value is losing. That is why so many of them are selling it, and they're trying to cover their losses. And this has basically affected the entire world of crypto. People are trying to take their money away from high risk assets and put them into something low risk, and this is where crypto world comes in. And this is why we are seeing such a massive drop in the world of crypto, because the world of crypto, it is an absolutely very risky compared to the traditional stock, but that's why we are seeing a lot of people take out their money, especially large financial institutions take out their money from the world of crypto. That is why we saw the price of Bitcoin drop as low to $40,000, but today it has slightly recovered. So what is going to happen next? Are we going to see a recovery for XRP? Right now it is extremely hard to tell what is going to happen next. A lot of people were expecting that China would bail out Evergrande, and it is currently not happening, well, at least at the time of making this video. That, and to put this into comparison, this is very similar to what happened in 2008 and what caused the recession. That is why pretty much they also the stock world has taken a hit, and the S&P 500 has dropped quite considerably. And this is an absolutely massive thing, especially if you're coming from the stock world. You might realize how big of a deal this is, and this is why it is also impacting the world of crypto, and with it is also impacting XRP. So everything is basically connected to each other. It is a chain reaction, and the next week or so, well, we are going to find out what exactly is going to happen, and then we will know whether we are on the path to recovery or we are going to go down further. And for those folks, I've seen some people in the Ripple and XRP community saying that, hey, this is the time to buy, this is that dip we were waiting for. Well, let me know, guys, if you are going to be buying this dip or you're just going to wait it out. So do drop a comment below. Well, guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. I do love reading all your comments, and as I have mentioned in my previous videos, due to me moving around, that is why these videos are irregular, and hopefully I'll be back to posting in my normal schedule, and that is almost every single day. Well, guys, thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you next time.